Hey friends, I'm out here in front of my surfboard collection because I wanted to show you guys a really cool product, give you guys a closer look. This is an epoxy resin kit that you can use for all sorts of incredible crafts. In fact, it's made by the Hippy crafter. Now, the reason I'm in front of my surfboards is because this is the perfect product for my project, which is ding repair. You can see I've got all this duct tape on one of my river surfboards. And I've been needing to do some ding repair for a while. Now we've got some fiberglass that we overlay all these dings, and then we need this epoxy resin to act as a hardener and offer a nice covering on all of the dings. And that's gonna get us back in the water, and it's gonna keep these surfboards nice and dry and free from liquid and water leaking into the styrofoam that's inside these. Now, one of the things to show you is that the hardener has like a yellow tint and the epoxy resin has a purple tint. Now, don't worry, actually, when you mix these together, everything comes out crystal clear for your projects so that your internal colors are what shine through. Now, this is a smaller little epoxy resin kit. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to glass an entire surfboard with this, but there's tons of smaller little projects that are out there that use this type of product as the finisher, and they turn out absolutely beautiful. So if you're thinking about a little epoxy kit for your next project, your next craft, definitely check these out. You can find them right here on Amazon. All right, friends, I hope that helps. Again, stay tuned to the channel, subscribe. We got a ton more of these little product reviews to help your projects go smoother. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.